So here we are, lovely wet day in Colchester. Let's go up these stairs here to the town centre. But yeah, we're doing another Cex and Charity shop hunt. Hopefully they've got some good stuff here, but I'm getting very wet. It's not very nice. Lots of old-fashioned shops and stuff here. Lots of locally run ones. Karen's found a bakery. Oh, look at them cinnamon buns. They look quite nice. Well, I thought I'd seen it all, but in well, I can get waffles, cactuses, avocados, and even an ice cream if you want. All to scrub your back with. Yeah, very, very weird. Saying that ain't blue. First charity shop of Colchester has been found. St Helena. Let's go and check it out. A few bits and pieces in here, mainly PC, isn't it? Actually, quite a mix. Nothing worth getting though, sadly. Like the wrestling figures ain't bad, and they got, I don't know the Nickelodeon ones, but they got the Turtles figures. Second charity shop, the Salvation Army. It's like quite a big one. Let's go and have a look inside. A few here. Not too many. Just seen another bundle somewhere. Next up, the East Anglia Children's Hospice. Karen's already on her way in, look at that. And again, it just seems every time I come out with Karen to do one of these episodes, it's market day. All nice cakes there for you, Karen. Yeah. But yeah, nice little town, Colchester. Not really seen much here yet. Trying to get somewhere, something to eat. Yeah, sure we'll find somewhere in a second. Well, there's a game that's inside a Sports Direct, so it's probably not going to be the best. It's not a bad size. Got a few Switch games. PS4, PS5. And of course what we're coming for, the Xbox. You got anything worth getting? Not that I can see. I'll have a look through. Well, it's still cold and wet, but we found CX. Not a great deal in the window by the looks of it, but we'll have a little look before we go in. Yeah, not what I thought, not much. Yeah. Right, let's go and look inside. centre bit. Don't know what that is. Weird little ornament thing they got there. Obviously being winter, these bothers ain't bothered opening up, but I've got H&M and some bits. Yeah, not too bad. Next up, Age, UK. Nothing. Alright, next up we've got Cex. Can't see any games. Yep. Nothing in there. The lovely local Wetherspoons there. Where I've left Kaz while I go and wander the rain looking for charity shops. So yeah, this is nice and dry and having a drink. And here's me soaking wet, looking for some bargains. Let's see if we can find some. Oh yeah, we have an Oxfam. Looks like a pretty big one. Hopefully they've got a few bits in there. I can see some more DVDs. Let's go check it out. Oh wow, we fit. Yeah, that's what we needed. Don't worry, Tommy, they got you sorted. Get your war hammer down here. Well, we're at Charity Shop Road. First up, we've got Cex here. Go check them out. How much? Next up, PDSA Pets. Help a pet, help a pet. Sadly, nothing. Well, next up we've got the British Heart Foundation. Go check it out. One of the biggest areas I've seen for DVDs ever, but sadly, not one game in it. Shocking. Because they're all there at high prices. Bridgeway Charity. Never seen this one before. Go and have a look. Nothing. Well, I think that was the last charity shop, so that is our time in Colchester coming to an end now. Well, I'm going to go and get Karen out of that Wetherspoons and then head back home. Back to the games room because I did pick a couple of bits up, so nice pizza there. Right, see you back in the games room. So here we are, back in the Xbox games room, yes. Because we're back from Colchester now. What a lovely wet day that was. I still quite enjoyed it. Lovely day out. And I did manage to pick up 2 games from CEX. Sadly, charity shops were a bit poor as always. But yeah, hopefully after Christmas time, people will be clearing out their lofts and there'll be plenty of good stuff in there. So fingers crossed. But yeah, for now, I've picked up 2 games. One for the Xbox One and one for the OG Xbox. Yes, we've picked up an original Xbox game. Can't believe it. First time in ages. But yeah, first up, I've got for my OG collection, we have got Crayola Scoot. Yes, this was £4 from CEX. It's like a Splatoon rip-off with like scooters. So, had to pick that up because obviously it's part of the OG collection. And yes, the OG game, which you could, because I guess, cost me £12. Just trying to read what it's called, because the sticker's covering up after front of it. It is Memoric, the Apprentice Knight. There you go, Memoric, the Apprentice Knight was £12. Looks like a nice little platform style game. I think it's going to be one that I'm going to quite enjoy. Platform beat 'em up. Well, I say platform, it looks like a 3D platformer. Maybe it's an open world style game, but yeah. There you go. It is all complete. Of course, we need the manual in there. And yeah, I haven't picked up a original Xbox game for a while, so yeah, I'm gonna have to put it down there with the rest of them. And maybe I'll pick up some more. Of course, it's an only on Xbox tile. So yeah, I've got a couple more trips planned now, a little bit further afield. So yeah, hopefully they'll have some better stuff. It's always nice to get to some new CEXs as well as looking at these new towns and seeing what's there. So yeah, hopefully we can get some more stuff. If not, you'll all have a nice video to watch. But yeah, as always, I'd like to thank you all for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, all that stuff. Hit the little bell, let you know when all my videos are going live. And as always, I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.